Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind on a particular thought, object, or activity to promote relaxation, calmness, and mental clarity. Here are some potential health benefits of meditation. Reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. It can also improve emotional regulation, which can help individuals cope with stressful situations more effectively. Improves mental health. Meditation has been shown to improve symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. It can also help individuals develop a more positive outlook on life, increase self-awareness, and cultivate compassion and empathy. Boosts immune function. Regular meditation practice has been shown to improve immune function by increasing the production of antibodies and activating immune cells. This can help reduce the risk of illness and improve overall health. Improves sleep. Meditation can help improve the quality of sleep by reducing stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and regulating the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Lowers blood pressure. Meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. These are just a few of the potential health benefits of meditation. Incorporating a regular meditation practice into your daily routine can help promote overall physical, mental, and emotional well-being.